Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about English short story Unity in Drought Crisis. Title: Unity in Drought Crisis. Once upon a time, in the heart of the African savannah, there lived a mighty lion named Simba. He was known as the king of the jungle, and his majestic roar could be heard far and wide. Simba ruled his kingdom with fairness and wisdom. He protected the weaker animals, ensured there was harmony among the inhabitants, and always shared his food with those in need. His subjects respected and loved him for just rule. One hot summer's day, a drought descended upon the jungle, and water became scarce. The animals were desperate, and tensions began to rise. Simba knew he had to find a solution to this crisis. He called for a meeting of all the animals. In the assembly, Simba declared, "My fellow creatures of the jungle, I knew we are facing a difficult time with the shortage of water. But we must remember that we are a community and we must help each other. Let us all dig a large water hole that can sustain us during the drought. We shall work together no matter our size or strength." The animals were inspired by their wise king. They began to dig the water hole day and night, using their unique abilities. The elephants use their powerful trunks. The giraffes stretch their long necks to reach deep into the ground, when even the small ants work tirelessly to excavate the earth. As the days passed, the water hole grew deeper and wider. Finally, after much effort, a plentiful supply of water was discovered. The jungle had been saved from the brink of disaster, thanks to the unity and teamwork of its inhabitants. Simba's moral was clear. In times of hardship, unity is our greatest strength. We are all part of this jungle, and when we work together, we can overcome any challenge that comes our way. And so, in the heart of the African savannah, the Lion King of the jungle, reigned not only as a mighty ruler but also as a symbol of unity and cooperation for all to admire and follow. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update.